Hi, my name is Gorazd. I come from design studio Asobi, and we're one of the designers who are showing here at this exhibition.
We're really excited to welcome this exhibition, The Future of Living.
The Future of Living.
The Future of Living emphasizes the role of creative and culture sector as a driver of sustainability.
We believe that sustainable products and circular economy is really about exchanging ideas and exchanging knowledge.
The exhibition shows the products that were developed in the last 2 years under the wing of Center of Creativity.
We're presenting 43 items from different Slovenian designers. All of them received the badge of excellence made in Slovenia.
The stories of these products are also about using innovative design, innovation, technological means of production, but also their passion for life and passion for nature. In many ways, they also show the future in which we will have to be more rational with the sources that we use for the production, with human resources, and products will have to adapt more to the customized needs of their users.
We understand this as the perfect opportunity for Slovenian designers and Austrian designers to meet, exchange ideas, and cooperate in the future.
The exhibition will travel to different cities and design weeks all over the world as a part of Slovenia's presidency to European Union.